Adamah has been cultivating the soul and the soil here on the land for the last 17 years. Farming together, giving thanks, eating, preparing food, praying, looking at ecological education and the skills that you need to build community and be a leader in the world today. We are taking our last 17 years of accumulated wisdom and offering it in a context that works in the day of coronavirus, and we're calling that Adamah at Home. That's a 3-week intensive program, 12 to 15 hours a week of live time together on the internet. We're open to anyone 18 years or older who can commit to 12 to 15 hours a week of engaged learning. We hope to see you there, virtually on Adamah at Home, and we eventually hope to see you here on the Adamah farm in Falls Village, Connecticut.